Okay guys, on today's video, I'm gonna head out to the junkyard because I got wind that there's a Civic out there and it is a hatchback and hopefully it has some parts. You know how it is, junkyards don't tend to do too well with hatchbacks. They always seem to be ripped apart, but hopefully I'll find some good parts for the little Civic here and we're gonna go check it out. Let's go. All right, we're looking for a white hatchback. Where is it? I don't have a printout today, but I got nothing to do today, so we are just gonna wing it. Got an Integra here, and of course, no engine. Always stripped, huh? Never mind, I found it. Dude, who does this? What is this, a B18B? I bet it is. I can't see the marker. It's a pretty big junkyard out here, and it is hot. And I'm wearing black. Ooh, CRX. Yeah. All right. I think it's, there it is. Look at this thing. Well, it's got seats. But not much else. Blue carpet. What a bummer. Hey, this dash is, oh, nice. And it's black. Oh wait, I spoke too soon. Look at this. I don't know what the heck happened here, but this thing is just like caved in. Looks like we won't get a dash today. Or carpet. I mean, this carpet is blue, right? I'm not tripping. And these seats look nice. And the steering wheel also looks nice. Might just take this. Oh no, wait. The glue fell apart and the rubber is just like barely hanging on. Bummer. Oh wait. No, they don't have the hatchback version of this. This thing's pretty expensive. But that isn't. It's supposed to have a rear wiper one here in the middle. My glasses. One pump. Yeah, it's got one, but it's supposed to have two for the rear. Maybe that's just extra custom. Oh well. Looks like we came out here for nothing, guys. What a bummer. Oh well, moving on. Let's just see what else I got out here. Right now I'm just wasting time out here. But it's Saturday. What else am I gonna do? So if they got any Integras, I want to try something. Four-door Civic. And airbags already been deployed. Gotta tell you guys, every time, man, no freaking dash. Ooh, an RSX. Oh, no seats. I want to try those out too. What is this? It's a K20 A6. I don't know if that's getting good. Oh well, don't really care. I still have a D series. Maybe I'll have a B series one day. Not a K. There's an Integra. Let's. Oh, it's got no interior. Damn it. Ooh, they have a rear pump. Dude, no way. Definitely worth thinking about. Oh, another Integra. And of course, no interior. Well, that evaporator looks pretty similar. And no engine on this one. Where does that hose lead to? Oh, up there. There's a little. Yep. I could definitely take that off. I think they're identical. I actually already have an extra one. What I don't have is this wire harness though. How does this work exactly? This sub harness goes over here. Oh, man, this is confusing. Obviously, it's inside that wire loom, and I don't have that. Yo, who's doing this? Why is that the door handle? Come on. I gotta go in here and kick this bitch open. Damn it. I'm not going. I'm not hopping in there. I am not hopping in there. Maybe this one's got... Yo! People out here are stealing shit. Maybe this one has the cable. No, of course it doesn't. They sliced the shit. Oh! I hate cars. I hate them. Freaking hate them. I got an idea, actually. This bitch. Careful. Wire is definitely showing on this tire. Alright. Great. That has done nothing. Oh, fuck you, that hurts. Come on. What's in? Seriously, man, what the fuck? Well, it looks like we're gonna call it today. I had seen this one on the list online, but I mean, there's really not much to this one. This one was here a few months back. Look at this. You guys might not be able to see this on camera. It is camouflaged really well. Let's see. Yeah, there's really nothing here. Look at the seats, red. Look at this. Somebody put, what is that, turf? That's interesting. I am gonna take this, however. This is a cool thing to have. I can't find these yet on any of the Civics I've seen. I desperately need these covers. In black, preferably. But at least this Civic door is open. There is carpet under here. Why is this here? Just for the feng shui, I guess. That motor mount's gone. That motor mount's gone. It is hanging on by its life from the transmission mount back there. I don't want to stand too close to that. Yeah, there's not much here. Think about taking that rear windshield though. I also have some plans for that. At the very least, it could be a good idea to have a spare. Especially because, you know, hatchbacks are rare. I don't think that's stock though, is it? I don't think that's how they're bolted on. I could be wrong. I'm gonna ask how much a windshield is. I don't know if you guys noticed on my Civic though, one thing I don't have is a lock here. mean, I have it. I ordered it when I installed a whole new lock key system for the Civic, but my latch here in the back was kind of like bondoed out, and I have no actual locking mechanism. I mean, I have the hole for it on this side, just not on the other side, and I have the actual thing inside of the latch here, but I just don't have a lock. I kind of do want to install this though, you know, because this is OEM. Maybe I'll get rid of mine. These taillights look not good. Are they Dyna? Yeah, they're not good, but I don't know, something about this old oxidized look that, you know, looks clean. Yeah, but these taillights are expensive. I'm not getting that. Looks like today was a bust. Just gonna kill some time in here looking around before I take off. There's really not much I can salvage from any of these cars, but who knows? Maybe I'll get some ideas. Now, while I was at the junkyard, I was able to, you know, take a look at a few of the options I might have for my rear windshield here. Stock-wise, it's supposed to come with a wiper, which is here, and the, you know, the nozzle to spray it down. But this particular part is non-replaceable. There is no option to get this replaced, at least not the one that I could find, and I can't buy a new one because they don't do aftermarkets for this. So I went to go look on other cars, and I found a CRV one that's sort of similar in size, but unfortunately it's gonna have to require some modification because I'm hitting my backyard special wing. Can you see it there? It's a few inches longer, and it's just gonna hit. So I need to modify it. I cannot get my camera to focus. I'm trying to show you guys this wiper blade is pretty much non-existent. It's like flat. Super flat. And like I said, there is no replacement part for this. Honda stops making them, this size in particular. And as you guys can see, it's not even removable. You know, it's like a one piece. There is no option to pop this off. You gotta take the whole thing with it, I think, like that. It's all gotta come off. So that's gonna be for another video. I'm gonna have to find some way to modify this wiper blade or my stock one. Probably might be easier to kind of like mix it together or something. I don't know yet, but I will hopefully try to add a rear wiper system, nozzle spray thing, something like that. I was looking, and I'm gonna need a pump, some electrical components or something like that to get the water from my windshield wiper to the rear. So this is for the front wiper, this is for the rear, and this is for the mist. But I don't have a pump for this, and it's not even wired. I don't even know how to do that, especially for this hatchback. But it's something worth looking into if I wanted to. Oh man, I've missed being behind the wheel of this little hatchback. In due time though, in due time. That's why I kind of spent a little bit extra more time at the junkyard, just kind of like trying to see what I could do, what my options were and stuff like that. But that's gonna be for another video. That's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully we'll start getting some more in-depth shots of this little Civic on the road. But until next time guys, take care and good speed. We out.